Welcome to qnawire.
So here are the Python program to achieve this algorithm. So first of all we have to write def max molecules atomic mass A, atomic mass B, atomic mass C, atomic mass D, atomic mass X. Now after that we have to give input. So input is be like atomic mass A is equal to int input atomic mass B int input atomic mass C int input atomic mass D int input atomic mass X int input. Now after that we have to calculate and print the maximum number of molecules. So for printing the maximum number of molecules, the code will be written like result is equal to max molecule atomic mass A, atomic mass B, atomic mass C, atomic mass D, atomic mass X. Then print result. So this code use the div mode function to find how many times each molecule can be subtracted from atomic mass X and then sum up those count to get the total number. Suppose the input is 585323, then the expected output is 4. So this code calculates the maximum number of molecules needed to form compound X with the provided atomic masses, and in this case it's 4. Thank you. I hope you understand.